I'm working with InDesign and showing you a few shortcuts in putting text in a document. I have a one-page, one-column document. If I click down at the bottom here, you can see there's only one page. And to do that, I usually use the keyboard shortcut Control D, and I'm going to be taking a whole bunch of text from a Word document. And I'm just going to be doing this plain old Kenya document here. And as you know, you just click here. It has everything there, and you know that little red box. Now this is even cooler. You want to fill in your whole newsletter. What I do, I'll do this again. Go into the file again, Kenya. Now I place it in the corner. I hold down the Shift key and I click. And what it does, it puts in all three pages the way you want it. So you have like a 3-page newsletter. Personally, I prefer typing in Word. I don't know why, but that's me. I'm going to go and show you something even better. I have a 1-page, 3-column document. And then again, I go into here. And then I hold down the Shift key, click. Everything flows into the columns. I clicked a little bit too high, but if I go into here, pull it down just a little bit, and then I have that there. I have to adjust just that one column. You have to be precise when you do this, but again, I go into here. It's on 3 pages. I'm going to show you something else. I don't use this technique too much. I have a new blank document here. Now I'm going to go into this one where it has, let's say, styles here. I'm going to put my finger on the Shift key, get it right on that corner. It picks up the styles that are in there, okay? And if I go into the text tool, let me just collapse this box here. And if I go into paragraph styles here, it picks up styles that I had. So if I type in here, hello, it picks it up and puts it in there. The other thing it will do, as you probably know, you have to embed, you put in the pictures from separate files. If you add something with graphics from a Word document, it will go in. I'll show you this right now. I'm going to go into another folder here. And teacher notes here. I double click on that. It's reading, it's doing a lot of processing, okay? This takes a moment. And now if I hold down the Shift key, it's picking up the table of contents here. This is like 30 pages here, but I just want to go into a couple of other pages here. It's showing the graphics, okay? And if I go into the W here, and I'm just going to enlarge this, the quality is not as good as it could be, but what you have to do when you do it this way here, you can resize them. Control, put your finger on the Shift key, I meant to say. You can resize it. No, the Shift doesn't do that. I'll just do another undo. Is Control, arrow, and then when you do that, it makes it yucky. It looks horrible. You can see how bad that looks. I'm just going to undo. So if you're going to do something from Word with everything in there, you have to either create little graphic files to insert in there, or make sure you have things well laid out within the Word document. And to be honest, the Word document will get messy in the InDesign document. The first two tips that I showed you are great. Know that shift key and the placement.